on, people? We are going to talk about skin today. Yes, welcome back to Shakorda by Javi. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're an existing follower or existing viewer, thank you for coming back. I love you. Okay, so today we're going to talk about skin, the do's and don'ts. Okay, so I am a professional esthetician. Yes, if you follow me on Instagram, then you know already that I am an esthetician, skincare specialist, and I know so much about skin. Yes, as you can see, my skin looks so good, right? And I'm trying to make your skin look good. Okay, so I just want to talk about the do's and don'ts. And first, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I was talking about this on one of my stories, and it was about people on social media who are telling you guys to put these things on your face that are not supposed to be on your face. Like baking soda, like coconut oil, like aspirin. Yes, I said it, aspirin. And Colgate. Yes, I said it, guys. Colgate. No, not to put on your teeth, guys, but to put on your face. I know. I don't know where they're getting this from. When I see these videos and I see them doing this stuff, this is me sipping on my tea like, what? ده عندهم baking soda اللي كبري أبغى تصير? What? أنتي؟ أي؟ تعرف الكني خلقبل؟ Colgate, aspirin, بس ما the hard time I put poop on your face. They're gonna be like, put poop on your face, and you guys are gonna do it because you guys just believe in everything you read on social media. And this is me sipping my tea. So today I'm gonna talk to you guys about skin and get you guys professional advice on skin when it comes to being an esthetician. So let's talk about skin. Okay, are you ready to talk about it? Yes, you are. Let's talk about it. So the first thing I want to say to you guys is, I know it's a big thing on using coconut oil. I mean, I use coconut oil, but I use it on my hair and I use it on my body. I do not use it on my face. And the reason why I don't use it on my face is because in the comedogenic rating, I had to get real smart on you guys real quick. Listen, when it comes to the rating on the comedogenic rate, the scale, it is about a 4. Yes, and that is very high. That means it will clog your skin. Okay, so if I put coconut oil on my face, I lie to you guys not. The next day, I have a breakout. Yes, it clogs my pores, and it will clog yours because it's a very thick thing and doesn't really go into the skin. This is supposed to be for like your body, for your hair. So if you guys want to put coconut oil from here and down, do it. If you want to put it in your hair, do it. If you want to put it on your face, don't do it. No, don't do it, okay? I've been seeing it all over social media. People putting Colgate, people putting baking soda, people putting freaking aspirin on their face. Total no. First of all, baking soda is not supposed to be on your skin. The reason why is very irritating to the skin, and also the pH level of baking soda when it's mixed with water is a pH level of 8. That is so high. That is alkaline, okay? And our skin, the pH levels of our skin fall on a 4.5, 6.5 pH level, okay? So when you put a pH level that is any type of I was gonna talk into good, yeah, whatever cleanser that you put on your face, if it is a high pH level and it's alkaline and it's at an 8, and you put it on your skin, and our skin, like I said, falls at a 4.5, 6.5 pH level, when you put that on your face, it affects it a lot, okay? And the reason why it affects it so much, so when you put a cleanser that has an alkaline level that is very high, like baking soda, it's a high alkaline level, it's a pH of 8, right? So when you put that on a pH level of 4.5, 6.5 skin, what happens is it starts to affect the skin. And how does it affect the skin? And you ask, let me just tell you. What it does is it disrupts the skin ascimenta. Yes, the skin barrier. Affect the skin barrier, and when it affects the skin barrier, it is disrupting it. Meaning, so what it's gonna do is gonna cause the skin, it's gonna affect the skin's outer layer of our skin, the skin barrier on our face. It is gonna affect it. So now it's gonna be distributing, it's gonna actually disrupt the bacterial flora. And what that means is it's gonna just mess up our skin. Meaning now the enzymes on our skin basically starts to affect the activity of the enzymes in our skin, okay? Of our skin, it starts to affect it. So over time, when you keep putting baking soda on your face, you're actually damaging your skin because now there's no enzymes, or the bacterial flora is starting to be disrupted, and now it's like gonna cause your skin to have more bacteria on your face. Yeah, I know. You thought you were like exfoliating your skin, right? No, you weren't exfoliating. So with that, affecting that like it does. It's affecting the enzymes on the upper layer of the skin, which in turn is just causing your skin, it's not really exfoliating it. In turn, it's actually causing your skin to have damage and it's actually drying your skin out. Yes, you guys thought you guys were exfoliating. No, you guys were damaging. That's what y'all was doing. Another thing I've been seeing a lot is Colgate. Now, Colgate and aspirin are pretty much used to like dry out pimples. No, stop being cheap, okay? If you want to like dry out your pimple, go to a store and buy something that's going to dry it out, that is for the skin. Don't go and try to be a chemist and mix things up in the kitchen and next thing you know you're like causing all this damage to your skin. Now, Colgate or any type of toothpaste has menthol in it. Menthol, when it's applied on the skin topically, it will cause irritation. Yes, it's gonna dry your skin out, right? It's gonna dry that little pimple out, but in turn, it's gonna cause you to have more breakouts. And the reason why it's gonna cause you to have more breakouts is because you're drying it out and now your skin is getting irritated. And when the skin gets irritated, it sends a shock, like it sends these signals to the cells, and the cells in your skin just start to go crazy and they're like, oh my god, the skin is irritated, oh my god, we have to lubricate it. So what happens is your skin starts to produce a lot of sebum meaning oil. So it starts producing all this oil, and when oil is just coming out and it's just like trying to lubricate the skin to calm it down, and in return your oils in your skin, the sebum is being produced so much that it's gonna clog your pores. And when it clogs your pores, guess what happens? You get a breakout. Yep, you get acne, you get pimples. So you were trying to like fix one thing, but then in turn got another situation. So don't use Colgate on your face. And the same thing with aspirin. Don't use that. Those things are supposed to be used in our mouth. That's supposed to use, Colgate is supposed to be used for our teeth to wash it. And aspirin is a painkiller. No, don't put that stuff on your face, okay? What's her face said to do that? Don't listen to What's her face. What's the name said to do that on Instagram? Don't listen to him. He don't know what he's talking about. We talked about that. We pretty much cleared that up, right? If you have any questions, please comment me down below with your questions, and follow me on Instagram. And I'm also on Facebook, but I'm more on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram, and yeah, I have Motivation Mondays every Monday, and we talk about motivational things, and I give you guys some food for thought and some inspiration from whatever. It could be a quote, it could be from a Bible quote, it could be from a motivational speaker. I talk about it, and I feel like I'm a motivational speaker, you know, so I talk about things like that on Mondays. So if you haven't already followed me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram. So yeah, so this is the do's and don'ts on skin, and I hope you guys follow it. If you have been following it, please let me know how it's been going for you. You know, comment down below or follow me on Instagram and tell me all about it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys like this video. So have a great, blessed week, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, Shakarnatats.